Let's begin by creating the flow. Since we want to trigger this flow when a member joins, select the member join trigger. The flow won't run if the server member's intent is disabled. You need to enable it in the Discord developer portal and then in event robot settings. And now let's send the basic message. Input the channel ID of the channel where you want the message to be sent. You can get the channel ID from Discord while having the developer mode enabled. Remember to set allow mentions to true so it will be able to ping users. You can now customize the message. Keep watching for the customization tips. FDBD24 is the event variable in Hex. We can input a link to an image in the image URL field to show it in the embed. I will use an cat image as an example. Let's see how the message looks like when a user joins the server. My nickname is shortened due to having my recording software open. Let's customize the message more. I will use the get server member block as an example. I will also add and ping to the content so the user gets a notification. Thank you for watching this inventory tutorial. Join our Discord server if you need help.